Users wanting to receive rewards on their tokens can deposit to the lend pool on the Vigor protocol. All tokens deposited into the lending pool get Vig rewards sent to the Vig fees and rewards box at the displayed rate. The exception being Vig deposits. Vig deposits in the lending pool receive Vigor rewards, which are deposited into savings. The Vigor in savings then starts receiving Vig rewards at the savings rate. The Vigor rewards can be withdrawn from the savings by going to the withdrawal, and the Vig rewards can be withdrawn from the Vig fees and rewards box, withdrawal. EOS deposited into the lending pool also receives Rex and Proxy rewards, which are directly deposited back into the lending pool automatically. Tokens in lending also insure loans and take bailouts. If you keep some Vigor tokens in lending, when you take on a bailout, your Vigor debt will automatically be closed using the Vigor you have in lending, and you will just receive the bailout's collateral tokens. All rewards can be seen in the Vig fees and rewards box, Vig rewards, EOS rewards, and Vigor rewards. Give it a try on app.vigor.ai.